Hi everyone, just trying something new today, doing my first YouTube video on brush lettering slash modern calligraphy slash hand lettering, or however you want to call it. I hope that glare from my desk isn't bothering you too much, but here's a short quote for you by Helen Keller. I hope you guys like watching it. So there you go. I personally find watching brush calligraphy really satisfying, so I really wanted to share that with all of you. And I would really appreciate any comments, feedback down below. Leave me a message, tell me what to write next, and I would be glad to read it. Thank you for watching.